On this video, I will demonstrate push-ups and the technique of doing proper push-ups. I'll show 3 different types of push-ups so you can pick the one that you can do best with perfect form. A push-up requires the ability for you to recruit your chest muscles to its max. But to recruit the chest muscles, which runs from this bone, your humerus bone, and it twists onto the bone, and that's why to get a powerful, like a tennis shot, you do a rounded motion, so that muscle rotates and activates your chest properly. From there, your chest muscle attaches to this bone, which is your sternum bone, and you can think of a push-up as your bicep muscles coming towards your sternum. So in your head, you're going to think of that, so because movement starts in the brain. To isolate those chest muscles, you need to also think of the shoulder and the tricep muscles. So those are the 3 muscles that are going to work together to create that push-up action. But there are many muscles that you need to stabilize your body. And those muscles are your lat muscles, your oblique muscles on the side, your quad muscles, your glute muscles. So those are some of, you want to keep all these muscles tight. So I'm going to demonstrate how to activate and stabilize your body first, and then I'll show you the different levels of doing a push-up. So you spread your fingers wide, your elbows are totally straight, your feet can be about hip width apart, pull your chin in, spread your fingers super wide, and rotate your elbow backwards. As you rotate your elbow back, you should be able to feel the lat muscles. So the lat muscles are going to help me to pull my body down. At the same time, my hands are totally spread out. So my palms are flat. From there, I tighten my glutes, I brace my ab muscles, as if I'm going to brace for a punch. My quads engage, and my obliques on the sides are both tight to stabilize my spine. And then I start bending my elbow. And I want to push through all the fingers at the same time. That's a basic push-up, but let's say, for example, that exercise, it's too difficult for you. You can start higher with all the same principles, but start higher. And do exactly the same thing I said. Nothing changes. So I'm hinging my toes, and I'm thinking about my whole torso in a straight line, hence a push-up is a moving plank. Once that becomes a little easier for you, you can go at a lower level and do exactly the same thing. Now, having said that, within each exercise, you can change the intensity slightly by moving your feet apart. So if I'm on the floor, and let's say, for example, I've done 8 reps and I want to go to 10, I can take my feet a bit wider, and that's going to make my body a bit shorter, and that's going to make the exercise a bit easier. Typically, you would exhale up, inhale down, and have fun doing it and work at the right intensity for you to build up your endurance over time. Thank you.